Hi there, this is Grace at the Monroe Ben Franklin, and today we're going to be making a pom-pom bat for Halloween. And so your supplies you'll need is a pom-pom of your choice of color, some googly eyes, a pair of scissors. This template will be available downstairs with the model, felt sheet of your choice, and then hot glue, or you can use felt and foam glue to make it a little more kid-friendly. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and cut out the template here. Just follow along the black lines. And then you only need one because we'll just trace it onto our felt and then cut out twice. So we'll just trace twice and then cut them both out. All right, so I have my pieces cut out, and I'm going to lay them onto my felt and then just trace them with a Sharpie. Like so. And then I'm just going to trace the wing 4 times, so we'll have a front and back to glue together. Take your scissors, and then we're just going to cut all of these out. So like so, and then we'll do that 3 other times. All right, so I have all my pieces cut out. So I'm going to glue 2 of the pieces together, make a little sandwich. And I'm going to use hot glue today. Like so. And then just repeat that with the other wings. And then you're going to take the little ear and just put a little dot of glue at the bottom, and then just pinch it and hold it until it kind of cools off. And then repeat with the other one. All right. And then if your pieces don't line up super perfect, I'm just going to go back in and just trim off the little bit of excess overlapping. Okay. And then you're going to take your little pom-pom, kind of position where you're going to want everything. So I'm going to have, then it has this little elastic, so I'm going to kind of work having that be like the top of my bat. And kind of just line it up, and you'll just put some hot glue on there. Just kind of try to stick it down in the fur. Hold it a second just so it can cool a bit. And then do that to the other side. And then do the same thing for the wings. And then you'll take your little googly eyes, put a little hot glue on the back, and try to like kind of part the hair. And there you have it. You have a cute little pom-pom bat for Halloween season, a cute little decor or something to play with. But yeah, thanks for following along, and I hope you guys try it out and like this.